friends, welcome to the Science Facts and today is part number 30. Before starting, please click on subscribe button and please do click on notification bell icon so that whenever we will share a video, you will get the notification for the same. So without wasting, please go for the first science facts. Can we travel to the center of the earth? Wow! Most of the inside of the earth is made of really hot melted rock. This part is called the mantle. At the center of the earth is the core, which is made of solid iron. It would be really difficult to travel to the earth's center because it is so far away and all the material would have to be pushed out of the way as we travel. The distance to the center is nearly 4,000 miles. Even building tunnel 20 miles long takes many years. Some of the deepest mines are only 2.5 miles deep. So my dear friends, I would like to say it is very difficult or it is just too impossible. So what's next? Too much has been spoken about the speed of light, isn't it? Well, it has been discovered that the speed of gravity is almost identical to the speed of light. In the year 2017, scientists were able to photograph a collision between two neutron stars. Scientists were able to measure the speed of gravity for the first time by conducting simultaneous optical and gravitational wave observations. Wow, that's a great fact. Yeah, what's next? Your hand has a built-in snuff box. How? Look at the back of your hand and extend your thumb. See those two little tendons pop out and form a triangle between your wrist and your first thumb joint. Scientists call that triangle the anatomical snuff box because people used to have the habit of sniffing powdered tobacco from this fleshy dispersion. Wow, it is very different fact, but it is a fact. Wow. So my dear friends, so before ending, please don't forget to click on subscribe button and do click on notification bell icon. And you can always share this video with your friends and family. And you can always write to us in our comment section. Your comments are always welcome. So at last, I would like to say thank you from our team of Science Facts, and we'll meet soon in the next Science Facts. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.